pre-college summer program at Stony Brook University invites high school students to come experience what it's like to be on a college campus. They have the opportunity to do hands-on learning in the classroom and network with like-minded peers.
The first few days that we did a different experiment, it was like really awesome. For the first time in my life, I saw human cells working on them.
The courses for pre-college summer are very unique. Participants have the opportunity to test drive a major. They might take something and realize that it's exactly what they want to do, or they might realize that it's the opposite, and it gives them that opportunity.
Moving in, I felt it was very lively, and there were so many people excited about the program.
I was really excited for her to jump into that and just see, could I live on campus and could this be an experience I'd want to have long term?
Residential ambassadors are responsible for our participants at all times to ensure their safety. One of the biggest roles that they play is to really be a mentor to our participants.
What that job entails is guiding the students to their daily classes each week, also living with them in the dorms and assisting them with their everyday needs. We're just there to just be there for them and just help them all around.
There's usually a whole lot of different events going on. There's game nights in the lounge, or you could go to the rec center, work out, or Club Hub. It's a lot of fun.
Socializing is really fun. Like just sitting in the lounge, meeting new people from like all over the country is really cool.
I know we're here for only a week, but it's still been pretty immersive. Sleeping in dorms, having roommates, eating food here, walking around on a college campus is a really good way to prepare yourself for the future and what it might hold.
I would recommend PCS because not only do you have the enjoyment of learning a skill you may or may not be interested in already, you also get to sort of experience it, and it's sort of like a little slice of college before you go, and you get to meet a bunch of new amazing people.
Students develop a schema, and that's really, really important, and it actually helps a lot in reducing the anxiety in the transition from high school to college.
So many participants are leaving here feeling this sense of belonging.
I want them to know that they can do this, that they can go out on their own and do something that they've never done before.